Help Anna clear up the misunderstanding
How could I
with her
miss such
classmates
an
to
occasion?
avoid repeating the
It's
past.
been so long since we've all met.
Poor but wearing fancy clothes must be kept by some rich guy.
Who with a black card would need someone to support them?
Only got into the big corporation and made money because
I'm a senior manager. Karen only got into the company as an intern thanks to me.
taking advantage of someone's gratitude to
This is my boyfriend. She's the one who got between us.
copying Karen by wearing fake earrings.
She's the one who gave me the fake earrings. Here's the letter she wrote. But who'd be stupid enough to wear them? Mine are real. Here's the receipt.
There must be some misunderstanding. You used to bully Karen at school.
Then call her out here. Let's clear this up face to face.
You guys,